Hi guys! So I heard it was a little hard to organize yourself during e-learning, so what we're going to do is the Sunday before your week, we're going to release these very short videos kind of outlining what we expect from you for this week. So on this same post that you found this video, you're going to see a document that looks a lot like this, and it is a color-coded copy of your plans for the week. So your plan right now, it's Sunday, hopefully is when you're watching this. Don't do anything today unless you need to get caught up on something else. So on Monday, you're going to go to your post and you're going to find a video called Finding Common Denominators. This is actually a video that Logan and I recorded. And I know it sounds like a topic from 5th grade, but it actually turns into an algebra topic. So I don't have mine open right now because it's not posted officially, but it'll be here. Okay, Finding Common Denominators, a little 11-minute video. Now after you go through those examples with Logan and myself, then you're going to go to your classwork. I need to get out of here. And you will have been assigned a quizzes. And again, nothing's there yet because I'm scheduling it. But there is a quizzes right here, Finding the Least Common Denominator. You get 2 attempts on that. And make sure you go through the link here provided on Classroom so the score gets reported straight to me. And if you have any difficulties with that, let me know. So that is your plan for Monday. So then on Tuesday, you're going to be happy you did all that hard work on Monday because our work on Tuesday, you're just going to watch a lesson, but we're going to build off of that Monday work. So you're going to watch a brand new recorded lesson, again, that Logan and I believe, recorded again. And it's called 8.5 Lesson for E-Learning. So you have to kind of get down to the bottom here. 8.5 Lesson for E-Learning, a 16-minute video. It follows along with the notes that I would have given you in a packet. So I would suggest that you print off the 8.5 notes here if you have the access to a printer. And then also, just like last week, I gave you guys a copy of this guy. I don't know if anyone took the time to look at this, but this is a neat little reference sheet that we would have given you in class to use on a test, and it really helps you with steps. So you might want to have a copy of that handy, or at least, write down some things that you think will help you. Oh, and I did forget to tell you, but there was a Finding Common Denominators Day 1 of 8.5 worksheet that follows along with that Day 1 video. So, back to my plans here. On Wednesday, you're going to practice those skills that you learned in your lesson from Tuesday, and you're going to complete 8.5 practice adding and subtracting. Check the key, make sure you know how to get all those answers. Of course, you can email me if you get stuck on something, and then you're going to complete your reflection. This time I tried to put better questions on the reflection that weren't so open-ended, and hopefully they're a little more clear of what I'm looking for. So the reflection, just like last time, last couple of weeks, you're going to find that in classwork. Then on Thursday, there's an optional assignment, just like we had this past week. It is not something that you have to complete in its entirety, but it's just extra practice problems trying to get you ready for your quiz. Your quiz should not be taken until Friday. And some of you are trying to jump on that quiz a little too quickly, and then you're not getting the score that you really should be getting. So use this time, use this pacing to kind of develop your skills. And I don't want to freak anyone out, but I personally feel like this might be one of the hardest lessons for sure of this chapter, but arguably it could be of the whole semester. So you definitely want to take your time and go through all of these lessons one at a time. Mrs. Meyer and I have kind of paced this out so that way you can learn them in bits and pieces and have a good opportunity to ask us questions. So please monitor your due dates a little better. That's something that I'd love for everyone to work a little harder on. And then one thing that our technology experts have told us for you guys to maybe organize yourself a little better, start utilizing the extension for your Google Calendar. Because I'm setting up assignments in Google Classroom, and I think a lot of your other teachers are as well, if you select your classroom to show up on your calendar, all of your assignments that have due dates will also show up on there. I don't have my child's Google Classroom open right now, but I can kind of show you what mine look like. So if you go to classwork, at the top here you'll see Google Calendar, and I'm sure my calendar has a lot of crud on it right now. Oh yeah, but kind of off to the side over here, you'll notice I have all the possible Google Classrooms that I'm in, and I can either check or uncheck them. So if you want to have notifications of assignments that are coming up and their due dates. So maybe that'll help you all get organized. At the very least, get organized for this week. And then, like everything else during e-learning, we're going to live and learn and do next week a little better. All right, thank you.